are going to be making thermochromic pigment slime. So,
all what you need for this is glue, your puddle, borax, measurements, and your cutter. What you want to throw it? And I have red. So, let's get started. Woo woo.
Okay. First, we're gonna add. If I can get the lid off. A fourth a cup of glue.
I'm going to put it all the way up.
I'm trying to get it to go.
And we have school tomorrow.
I would use it for you. It's so much clearer than the white glue I'm used to that. Then you're gonna add your tablespoon of water.
What do you need, Dad? Dad, what do we need next?
Okay, let me get that out. Okay. Now we're gonna add the tablespoon of water.
Just a tablespoon?
Yeah. Wait, no. The big one.
Okay.
No, that's borax.
Where's our water?
Pour it.
No, put your spoon over.
Put your spoon in. Okay. Here, everybody needs that. I'll have a little extra. And then you're gonna add your thermochromic pigment stuff. Where did the scissors go? You have them over there?
No. Oh, right there.
So,
What color do you have?
I have black, and then my coloring is going to be white. Not yellow.
What are you going with, Ava?
Mine is gonna be red.
Okay.
Now we're doing all more cutters? All this?
Keep it in the bowl.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Let's see. So, gotta add all of it in. One
Now we
packet
need
is
a
a
mix.
gram.
Right?
Yep.
There's still a lot left. I can't get it all out.
It not look like slime yet.
Because we didn't have the
Why do you think it doesn't look like slime? What have we not put in there yet?
Borax?
So you don't have to use borax. You could use like your other activators.
So this color will be when the slime is hot or cold?
Cold. Okay. And then you're gonna add your food coloring. How many drops should we do? 5.
5, sure.
What? Mine's a spray. No, I think that'll be enough. What? A little. Okay.
You want to make sure you pick a color that's good, Ava. Yeah,
like
that's good.
an opposite
Opposite, yeah.
from your pigment stuff. Whoa.
Like the color wheel you learn about in art class.
Yeah. Mine's like a crocodile mossy color right now.
How's yours, Ava?
Black.
That looks kind of cool. Okay. Now we're going to add a fourth cup of your...
Mine is black, Dad.
What's that? Now it's turned it into slime.
Yeah, well, it should be. It's working.
Use your hands like you guys normally do.
Okay, this color is like...
Mine is not red. Mine is not red.
Is it supposed to be changing color right now? Or is it supposed to come together first?
I don't know.
I think you need a cold force, Daddy.
To get it into a slime consistency first, maybe.
Yeah.
And you don't want it
It's just like overactivated slime.
Wow. My hands are black.
This is kind of cool, actually. Oh, that didn't stick.
Yeah, we've been backtracking.
Okay.
So what happens if you go and put it in the freezer?
It will be red. Like this is already red, but it is a dark red.
Yeah, I think we have to get it cold first.
Or somewhere
Because it's-
cold.
So what's yours look like?
Like this. Like, it looks like, what is it called?
A turd?
Geese poop. Like, it's such a pretty
Does it
one.
feel like slime?
Yeah. That's what clear slime feels like. It's more of a rubbery texture.
So should we go stick it in the freezer?
Yeah, for a little bit.
Alright, so here's Addie's pre-freezer. Let's see yours. You can put yours up there, Ava, so we can see it.
And mine is a dark purple.
And we think it's going to turn what color? Red or blue?
Red.
Red? Okay. So why don't we go stick it to the freezer? We'll see what happens.
Yeah. Come.
We're gonna see if it has changed color in the cold. Oh my gosh, mine has gotten...
Mine got a dark red.
It looks like.
Mine got a dark red.
Any change?
It's not changing color now, but
Mine, I bet
it's black.
Mine's
black?
black. Mine
That's a
is
good
red.
sign.
Can I hold them?
No.
So now what are we going to go do?
No,
We're
we
gonna
don't
go
wanna go.
outside in the
What are we going to do, Ava?
We're gonna go outside and go see if it work outside.
Fine.
Now we are gonna place it and see if it goes.
Ah, look at it. Mine's not black. And it's not changing color either.
You got to keep mix it and stretch it. Let's see if we did it right.
So it was a fail. All you just have to play. Is yours coming? Mine is just stretchy.
Yours is stretchy?
Yeah. So mine. Now let's see if mine works.
It works!
Look! hot.
Ooh.
That's hot. That's hot.
Oh, it worked. This is, I can use this for Spirit Week.
I have a problem.
What?
Mine is blue now.
What'd you think it was gonna
It's a
be?
good thing. The color that I want it to be.
I really want to bring
This
this to
is
school
a
now.
success.
I really want to bring this to school now, but I can't.
So this was a success. At first, it wouldn't change color because we were just using our hands. But then we put it in the microwave for 10 seconds and you could already see it forming. And I feel like it spread. And then you'll see it start to
Mine
go
is
darker.
Jessie.
So as it's cooling off.
It gets darker and darker. It's like super cool.
So go stick yours back in the microwave for 10 more seconds so we can see yours.
Up.
So Ava, what did you learn?
Huh?
What'd you learn?
Oh, first, look, okay. This is how it is now. And I'll see you in 10 seconds.
I learned that you can always keep on trying if it didn't.
All right, because you didn't think it was working, did it?
No.
You were getting
And-
frustrated.
In the slime video when we did, my slime was not working, but I was keep on playing with it and it working.
Yours is still staying blue. Is it starting to change back to the dark or not yet?
No, mine is not turning.
You think Addie's will be all yellow when it comes?
Yeah.
And here's the turnout. I actually put it in for 15 seconds. And
Holy
it makes it
cows.
softer and it goes to the straight color. So do it for 15 seconds. But it's gonna be hot at the beginning, so let it cool off. But
Or just play with it outside on a hot day.
yes.
Yeah.
And that works. Also when you put it in the microwave, it makes it softer and stretchier. So your slime may not be stretchy at the beginning, but put it in for a little bit and it's stretchy and soft.
Guys, I'm gonna see if when I go put it in the fridge, see if mine turned back to red.
Ooh, so you're gonna get it cold. And while we're waiting,
That's it. So give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this video. Yes, I would really do this. Really recommend. It actually stays like that for a while, but then look, you can already see it kind of transforming darker.
So mine, you could always see the purple when you put it in there.
I wonder how that works.
I don't know, the powder. Well, Dot has to do something with it, but.
So I'm gonna go see if it turns red again.
I went inside, you could already see it. It was completely darker. This is so cool.
Yeah, like this, the red is like the black. This is like my backpack that I have.
Oh, look, yeah, it's already starting to change.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. This is so
Mine is
satisfying.
Mine is just
Bye!
bye. Now, and also guys, the next video we're gonna do right now, after this video, we are gonna go and do glow up in the dark slime without the sun in my face.
It's changing colors. You can see it, if you see it, and look, it's like a snake tail. Look at that! Oh my gosh! I'm not gonna do it anymore, but